What say, my young YouTube feathered addictive junkies? Welcome back to the show again. A lot of y'all talking about, on Facebook I read about a lot of y'all talking about alternate tunings on your guitar. If you play an acoustic guitar, I got a tuning I'd like for you to try. I think you'll be amazed by it. So stay tuned. I'm going to show it to you and explain it all right now. We tune our guitars to A440 standard tuning, okay? Now I'm going to bring you over here and show you something with this tuner. You can't do what I'm about to show you with any tuner. You got to have a tuner that you can calibrate. Peterson, or this is a Korg TM-40, the one I use most of the time. You know who sent me that, thank you for it, with a bunch of other tuners. Anyways, you got to have a tuner that you can calibrate a little bit. Instead of tuning to A440, I'm going to bring you over here closer and show you what I'm talking about. We'll do it right now, and then we'll do some comparisons between the two tunings, and you can judge for yourself. Hold on. Okay, hopefully you can see right up here in this corner, it says 440. Wow, I hope the camera's getting that. So what I can do here now is hit calibrate. And I want to go the other way. There's 440, 439, 438, 37, 36, 35, 34, 433, 432, 431. Okay, now it's calibrated at 430. If you can see that in this corner right here, I'm just hoping the camera will get that. So now when I tune this first string up to where it says E, yeah, it broke. Anyways, I'm going to tune the guitar up in standard A440 tuning first and play it for you, and then I'm going to tune it down to this 430 and play it for you again, play the same tunes, and you can make a call on it yourself. I think you'll be surprised. Hold on. Okay, got a new string on. You can see we're at 440. That's A440 tuning right there, and I got the guitar tuned up close to that. Him up just a little bit. I'm going to tune it up better. I'm going to play you something in A440 tuning. Then I'm going to drop it down to A430. Or not A430, 430. Alright, let's listen to this. Okay, this is standard A440 tuning. Now let's show you how I'm going to tune it down here now. Alright, we got our tuner here. If you look up in this corner, right where my thumb is there, you should be able to see 440. I'm going to drop that down. 35, 34, 33, 32. 432 is a good tuning to try too, but I like 430 better. Okay, see it's set at 430 there now. Hopefully you can see that. And I'm just going to tune the strings like I did before. Like that. I just want to tune it to an E. Okay, set at 430. You can see I just tuned to the E. You can see the E over there. B. G. But that's not really an E, B, and G because we're tuned down from 440 to 430. Okay, let's see what it sounds like. And now we have 430 tuning, not A440. richer tone, better bass response. Like I say, this is something to play around with. You know, if you have a tuner that you can calibrate down from 440 to 432 even is a nice pitch. I like 430 because it's just a wee little bit lower. And try it with your acoustic guitar and listen how much more pleasant the bass response and the overall tonal qualities is. It makes a huge difference in every acoustic guitar. It would be fun to try on an electric guitar, I'm sure. You know, a lot of bands like Flat and Scruggs, for one, I know years ago used to tune, I don't know if they tuned a whole step down or a half step down, but they tuned down under 440. Easier to sing. It's easier on your instrument. There's not as much stress on the instrument as it is tuned up to 440. And it's easier to play. The notes are just easier to get. Everything about it's better. It's not normal, I know. But, you know, if you play in a band, you might try the whole band tuning down to like 430 or 432. I wouldn't go much lower than that. But it's not going to hurt your instrument. Now, you know, they tap tune a lot of high-end guitars to resonate at its very best at 440. Not all manufacturers do that, but a lot of the big ones do, the more expensive ones. So, you know, you might get pleasant results, or they might not be very pleasant, but it's fun to tune it down and try that. I've been messing around with it with different acoustic guitars, and I thought, man, I'm going to make a video about that. Let you guys, you know, tell you about it at least if you want to try it out. So try it out and let me know what you think. Cheers to you. Thanks for watching. See you very much soon. Oh, yes, by the way, this is that Epiphone guitar. You can own this guitar. It's in a contest right now, going on as we speak until February 1st. So if you'd like to have a chance at winning this guitar or the other one, the Wynn's Gypsy Jazz guitar, I got a video about both of them, shows you the other one if you want to see it. Anyway, if you want to win either one of these guitars, come over to Patreon right now, get in on it, and you got to get a chance as anyone that's winning one. You can own it. It can be yours. It can be yourn. Cheers to you. Alright folks, a little bit of dog harmony. We're going to get some 3-part dog harmony. I'm going to sing the lead. Lily gets the tenor. She's got that high tenor voice. And Zeke's down here on the floor. He gets that beautiful baritone that he sings. So let's sing it. Ooh, I love you. What? Ooh, get in on it, Zeke. Three dog harmony. Three dog. Nice. Now let's show you how I'm going to tune it down here now. Much richer tone, better bass response.